Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's near and dear to my heart, driving. For those of you who are just starting out behind the wheel, I know it can be a little intimidating. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm sharing my top 10 driving tips for new drivers. These are the things I wish I knew when I first started driving, and they'll help you feel more confident and safe on the road. So buckle up, grab your keys, and let's get started. Just got your driver's license? Congratulations! Remember, what you do in the driver's seat not only affects you, but everyone else on the road too. 1. Obey all traffic rules. There's a reason the driving exam includes both a road test and a written one. From road signs to right-of-way, there are a whole bunch of rules that drivers are required to understand and follow. Learn them and use them. 2. Slow down. Speeding is one of the leading factors in fatal crashes involving young drivers. Basically, the higher your speed, the less time you have to stop your car and the worse any impact and subsequent injuries will likely be. 3. Keep your car in good running shape. Taking care of your car can help you avoid breakdowns and other potential accidents. This includes regular oil changes and tune-ups, checking tire pressure, don't forget the spare, regular tire rotation, checking brake fluid and coolant levels, and filling up the petrol tank before it hovers too close to E. 4. Wear your seat belt, always. And make sure your passengers wear theirs too. According to Singapore Traffic Police, there were 9,833 seatbelt violations in year. Save a life, maybe your own, and buckle up. 5. Avoid distractions, keep your eyes on the road. That means no texting, no calling, no eating, no channel surfing on the radio, and no turning around to chat with friends in the back seat. Accidents can happen in a split second, but if you're paying attention, you'll have a better chance of avoiding one. 6. Adjust your accessories. No, not your bling. We're talking about making sure your seat is in a comfortable spot and checking all mirrors to make sure you've got the best view possible. 7. Don't tailgate. Following too closely is one of the leading causes of rear-end accidents. Just remember the 3-second rule. Pick an object on the road ahead, like a sign, tree, or overpass, and when the vehicle in front of you passes the object, slowly count 1 to 1,000, 2 to 1,000, 3 to 1,000. If you reach the object before completing the count, you're following too closely. 8. Be prepared. In case of accidents, breakdowns, or other emergencies, your car should always contain important driving documents and an emergency kit with everything you'd need for extended time in your vehicle. 9. Watch the weather. Rain, wind, and snow can all make driving more difficult and dangerous. If it's wet out, make sure your headlights are on, slow down, and increase your following distance. Braking takes longer when roads are slick. Most importantly, if the conditions are too treacherous, it's better to just stay off the roads. 10. Don't drive under the influence. Just don't. This includes being under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or lack of sleep. Nobody should have to tell you how severe the consequences can be. Now get out there and drive. Practice makes perfect, after all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more driving tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments below what your favorite driving tips are. See you in the next video.